Anyone can camp, but surviving? That takes gear built for the rough. Stick around because the last few items might just change how you face the wild. When it comes to outdoor dependability, the cold steel Leatherneck doesn't just cut, it commands respect. Built from razor-sharp German D2 steel, this beast slices through rope, wood, or camp prep with effortless precision. The textured handle feels rock-solid in your grip, even when wet, and that matte finish gives it a stealth-ready vibe that screams durability. Whether you're splitting, kindling, or prepping food, this knife gives you the confidence of a true survivalist in your hand. What makes it worth every cent is its balance between combat-grade toughness and everyday versatility. The full tang construction ensures it won't quit on you, and that molded sheath locks it down tight when you're on the move. For campers who demand reliability from every tool they carry, the Leatherneck doesn't just get the job done, it defines what a utility knife should be. The Hults Bruk Akka isn't just an axe, it's a work of Swedish craftsmanship that feels born from the wilderness itself. Each swing delivers a clean, powerful bite thanks to its hand-forged carbon steel head and perfectly balanced hickory handle. It's light enough to pack deep into the woods, but heavy enough to split logs with authority. This is the kind of axe you pass down, not toss aside. From the moment you grip it, you can feel the difference, that solid, confident strike that turns wood into firewood in seconds. The curved handle gives you control for fine carving, while the head geometry eats through timber like it's butter. Whether you're building shelter, clearing camp, or prepping for a night's fire, the Akka proves why real woodsmen trust hand-forged steel over mass-made gear any day. If darkness doesn't scare you, this spotlight will make sure nothing else does. The BUYSIGHT Rechargeable Spotlight unleashes a blinding 1 million lumens of light bright enough to turn midnight into noon. The aluminum body is built like a tank, shock-resistant, and sealed tight for rainy adventures. With its adjustable modes and insanely long battery life, this isn't just a flashlight, it's your portable Sunday. You'll love how it feels in the hand, balanced, solid, and built for real-world use. The ergonomic grip keeps fatigue away during long searches or camp setups, and the included stand turns it into a mini floodlight for cooking or repairs. It's the kind of gear that saves the day when power goes out or trails go dark, a serious lighting powerhouse every camper should have packed and ready. The Owala FreeSip isn't your average water bottle, it's hydration done smarter. With its built-in FreeSip straw and chug spout, you can sip casually or gulp fast without ever breaking your stride. The double-wall insulation keeps drinks icy cold for hours, even under the scorching sun, and the leak-proof lid means no surprises in your backpack. It's sleek, tough, and made to match an active outdoor lifestyle. What really makes it stand out is the effortless design: one hand open, one smooth sip, and you're back on the trail. The textured grip feels secure even when wet, and the colors pop with a premium matte finish that's both stylish and rugged. From morning hikes to late-night campfires, Owala keeps your hydration game strong and your vibe effortless easily, one of the coolest camping companions you can bring along. The AquaQuest Pharaoh is your fortress against the elements, a Bivy sack that turns any sleeping bag into a waterproof, windproof cocoon. Made with high-performance ripstop fabric and heat-tape seams, it keeps you dry even when the skies open up. It's compact, light, and slips right into your pack, yet once unrolled, it gives you full coverage protection from rain, snow, and morning dew. You can feel the quality as soon as you zip in. No condensation, no damp chill, just pure comfort and peace of mind. It's built for campers who refuse to let weather ruin their night's rest. Whether you're stealth camping under the stars or caught in an unexpected downpour, the Pharaoh keeps you safe, dry, and warm like a personal weather shield for the wild. The 3-in-1 solar electric water filter is the kind of innovation every camper dreams about, a compact lifesaver that purifies water anywhere, anytime. It combines solar power, USB charging, and a hand pump backup, so you're never out of options in the field. One press, and it delivers clean, safe drinking water straight from lakes, streams, or rain, no batteries or chemicals needed. It's smart, efficient, and built for survival. The multiple filtration layers remove bacteria, heavy metals, and bad taste with every use. Plus, that solar panel keeps it running long after other gadgets die out. Whether you're prepping for emergencies or exploring off-grid, this filter turns wild water into peace of mind because clean water isn't a luxury out there, it's life itself. The Mardingtop Tactical Backpack isn't just a pack, it's your mobile command center. Built with military-grade materials and reinforced stitching, it's ready to haul gear through mud, rain, and rough trails without flinching. The Molle webbing system lets you attach pouches, tools, or a hydration pack, keeping everything within arm's reach. With padded straps and back support, it's made for long hauls without pain. Inside, it's organized like a pro multiple compartments, hydration bladder space, and compression straps to keep things tight and steady. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just need a tough daily pack, the Mardingtop delivers. It's practical, rugged, and versatile, the kind of backpack that becomes part of your journey, not just something you carry. When the ground turns muddy and the weather goes wild, the WOVENPAK rubber boots are your first line of defense. Built with 100% waterproof construction and a high-traction sole, they keep your feet bone dry and locked in even on slippery terrain. The neoprene lining adds warmth and comfort, making long walks through rain, creeks, or marshlands a total breeze. You'll love how they blend toughness with comfort, easy to pull on, easy to clean, and durable enough to take serious punishment. Whether you're fishing by the river, hauling gear through camp, or just stomping through a storm, these boots don't quit. Every step feels stable, dry, and confident, exactly what you need when nature decides to test you. Compact, tough, and surprisingly versatile, the MTRVR folding camping table is the unsung hero of every campsite. Built with lightweight aluminum and a sturdy frame, it unfolds in seconds and stays rock solid no matter where you set it up. From campfire dinners to gear setup, it handles everything with ease. And when it's time to move, it folds down flat and slides right into your pack. No hassle, no wasted space. What makes it a standout is its balance of portability and strength. You can toss a full meal, lantern, and gear on it, and it won't wobble or bend. The weatherproof surface is easy to clean, even after a long night of outdoor cooking. Whether you're deep in the woods or tailgating with friends, this table adds instant comfort and function to your adventure, the kind of small gear that makes a big difference. Sleep like a king, even in the wild, that's what the Coleman Trailhead 2 folding cot delivers. This heavy-duty camp bed gives you the comfort and height of a real bed, keeping you off cold, uneven ground. The steel crossbar frame is built to support serious weight without sagging, and the fabric stretches firm, giving you solid back support all night long. It's quick to set up, easy to fold down, and built to last through years of camping trips. No more waking up stiff or sore, this cot turns any tent into a proper sleeping setup. Coleman didn't overcomplicate it, they made it strong, stable, and surprisingly comfortable. Once you use it, you'll never go back to sleeping on the dirt again. This isn't your average paracord. The Teton Survival 550 is a survival kit disguised as a rope. Inside its 7-core design, you'll find fishing line, fire tinder, and even a conductive wire for emergency use. It's rugged, flexible, and built for every situation, from tying down tents to saving your gear in a storm. The cord's strength and durability make it a must-have for serious outdoorsmen who like to be ready for anything. The best part? It's not just tough, it's smart. The paracord burns clean for fire starting, unwinds easily for traps or repairs, and doesn't fray like cheap imitations. Every inch is designed with purpose. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or surviving the unexpected, this cord earns its name Titan, because when things get rough, it's the little gear that can save the day. Meet the Swiss Army knife of shovels, the HX Outdoors Tactical Shovel. It's a multi-tool built for warriors, campers, and survivalists who want more than just a digging tool. Crafted from high-carbon steel, it transforms in seconds. Shovel, axe, saw, knife, fire starter, and even a defense tool if things go sideways. It's compact, modular, and ready to handle anything the wilderness throws at you. Every joint locks tight and feels solid, giving you total confidence with each use. It digs through tough ground, chops wood, and even doubles as a cooking stand if you're creative enough. The grip is firm, the design is smart, and the performance? Unstoppable. Whether it's building camp, clearing brush, or facing an emergency, this shovel feels more like an ally than a tool. No wood? No problem. The portable mini bonfire turns any night outdoors into an instant campfire experience. It's lightweight, clean burning, and easy to light. No smoke, no mess, no hassle. Made with eco-friendly materials, it burns steadily for hours, giving you that perfect firelight warmth for cooking, storytelling, or just kicking back under the stars. It's small enough to toss in your pack, but powerful enough to set the mood anywhere from beaches to mountain. Safe, reusable, and ready in seconds, this little can replaces the struggle of gathering wood or dealing with damp logs. It's the modern way to camp, simple, reliable, and cool as hell. Once you light it, you'll wonder why you ever camped without it. The JQZ wool blanket is that timeless piece of gear every camper should own. No batteries, no tech, just pure dependable warmth. Made from 100% premium wool, it locks in heat even when damp and feels soft, yet rugged enough for years of heavy use. It's perfect for wrapping around yourself by the campfire or throwing over a sleeping bag for extra insulation when the temperature drops. This isn't some cheap throw blanket, it's built for real-world adventure. Wool is naturally fire-resistant, moisture-wicking, and built to handle abuse without losing comfort. Whether you're sleeping under the stars or keeping it in your truck for emergencies, the JQZ blanket delivers that old-school reliability that modern synthetics just can't match. Warm, tough, and absolutely worth every penny. When your hands are busy but you still need light, the Energizer PRO260 headlamp steps in like a champ. With a max output of 260 lumens, it throws out a powerful, clean beam that cuts through darkness like daylight. The adjustable strap fits snug and secure, while the pivoting head lets you aim exactly where you need it, perfect for late-night setups, repairs, or trail walks. The best part? It's weather-resistant and built tough enough to survive the roughest camping trips. Multiple lighting modes give you control over brightness and battery life, and with Energizer's legendary reliability, this thing won't let you down when the night gets serious. Simple, efficient, and powerful, it's the kind of headlamp that earns its spot in every outdoor pack. Fire is survival, and this Pharaoh rod fire starter guarantees you'll always have it. One quick strike and you've got a shower of sparks hot enough to ignite tinder in seconds, even in rain or wind. The magnesium rod is thick, long-lasting, and easy to grip, giving you thousands of reliable strikes wherever you go. No lighters, no fuel, no stress, just pure old-school fire-starting power. Every camper and survivalist knows the importance of dependable ignition, and this tool delivers. It's compact enough to carry on your keychain, but tough enough to last for years. Whether you're lighting your stove, a campfire, or an emergency signal, this fire starter gets the job done. It's one of those small tools that makes you feel fully prepared because when the lighter fails, this won't. When the brush gets thick and the trail disappears, the Condor Outdoor Machete clears the way like a beast. Handcrafted with a high-carbon steel blade and full tang construction, it's sharp, balanced, and built to handle serious cutting power. The walnut handle feels natural in the hand, giving perfect control whether you're slicing vines or splitting small wood for campfire fuel. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece for anyone who takes the outdoors seriously. The leather sheath adds that rugged, classic touch, while the blade itself holds an edge that refuses to quit. From jungle paths to backyard prep, this machete delivers clean, confident cuts every single time. If your adventures take you off the beaten path, this is your ultimate sidekick. The OUTXE Titanium Spork is every camper's best eating companion and probably the last one you'll ever need to buy. Its long handle design keeps your hands clean while reaching deep into meal pouches or pots, and that titanium build means it's feather-light yet incredibly tough. No rust, no bending, no nonsense, just pure practicality in your pocket. It's the kind of tool that makes outdoor meals effortless. The polished edges are smooth on the mouth, and it's easy to clean, even with just a splash of water. From freeze-dried meals to campfire stews, the OUTXE Spork handles it all with class. Simple gear done right, that's what real campers appreciate. When it comes to hand protection, the W-Tactful tactical gloves are built like armor but move like skin. The reinforced rubber guards across the knuckles give you serious impact resistance, while the breathable mesh and adjustable wrist strap keep them comfortable even during long hours outdoors. Whether you're chopping wood, riding trails, or working with tools, these gloves feel secure, solid, and made for action. They strike the perfect balance between toughness and flexibility. The anti-slip palm texture gives you confident grip control on wet or rough surfaces. And the touchscreen fingertips let you handle your phone or GPS without removing them. These gloves aren't just protection, they're performance gear. Once you wear them, you'll wonder how you ever tackled the outdoors barehanded. The Jumo ratchet belt is what happens when comfort meets strength. Crafted from high-density nylon webbing and a heavy-duty alloy buckle, this belt holds firm through any movement, no slipping, no sagging, just rock-solid support. The automatic ratchet system adjusts in micro steps, giving you the perfect fit every single time whether you're hiking, working, or carrying gear. What makes it special is the way it disappears into your outfit while performing like tactical gear. It's flexible enough for everyday wear but tough enough for field duty. No holes, no wear marks, just smooth, silent locking power that feels premium and built to last. The Jumo isn't just a belt, it's a mission-ready essential for any modern adventurer. Power up your adventure anywhere. That's what the Jackery Explorer 300 is made for. This compact beast packs a 293 watt-hour battery capacity, letting you charge cameras, phones, laptops, and even small appliances off-grid. With dual AC outlets, fast USB-C, and carport options, it's like carrying a mini wall socket in your backpack. Quiet, clean, and solar panel ready, it's built for campers who like to stay connected without losing the wild vibe. The design is pure genius, lightweight, durable, and easy to carry with a solid handle and smart cooling system. Whether you're camping deep in the woods or tailgating at the weekend, Jackery gives you that peace of mind knowing your devices won't die on you. Reliable power, zero noise, total freedom, that's the Explorer spirit. The Rolls electric lighter isn't just cool, it's downright futuristic. Forget fuel, forget flame, this lighter ignites with a powerful dual arc of electricity that lights anything instantly, even in wind or rain. It's USB rechargeable, eco-friendly, and built with a sleek metallic body that feels premium in hand. With just a single click, you get reliable ignition every time, no gas refills, no mess. Compact, weather-resistant, and undeniably stylish, it's the kind of gadget that turns heads at camp. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to charge, and a single full charge gives you hundreds of uses. It's clean, efficient, and built for the modern outdoorsman. The Rolls lighter proves that sometimes the smallest gear can make the biggest impression. If you want gear that'll outlast your adventures, the Valtcan Titanium Canteen Mess Kit is pure gold for the wild. Crafted from ultra-light titanium, it's strong enough to take on years of abuse while staying light in your pack. The canteen cup and lid fit together perfectly, saving precious space in your bag and that metallic finish. It screams premium survival gear. Boil water, cook noodles, or brew your morning coffee right over a flame. It's built for real outdoor living. What really sets it apart is its efficiency. Titanium heats fast and cleans up easy, leaving no metallic taste behind. Whether you're trekking solo or camping with the crew, this kit gives you the freedom to cook, drink, and pack light without compromise. Every serious camper knows the fewer things that can break, the better. And with Valtcan, breaking isn't even on the list. Thanks for watching, survivors. If you enjoyed this lineup of next-level gear, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss the next drop. Stay ready, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.